Annually, you're talking about 6 individuals who have been killed in the United States and the UK as a result of terrorist incident. We know that basically lightning in the United States kills 30 people annually. We know hundreds of people get killed as a result of deer causing incidents. In Ohio itself, 9 people die every day as a result of doses, high doses. Again, we need to keep, I'm not suggesting that terrorism is not insidious, is not dangerous. But what I'm trying to say is that too much publicity basically plays into the narrative of ISIS.
There's another thing that happens now after any terrorist attack, which is, it happened recently of, what was it? There's a sort of graphics that get sent around Facebook, social media, Twitter, all that kind of thing. You know, the number of people killed each year by, I don't know, lawnmowers versus the number killed by terrorists. You know, everyone has a great chuckle. You know, you're more likely to be killed by your toaster than you are by a, you know, and all. And that also, that also sort of skews the whole debate because, you know, I don't deny those stats in certain countries. By the way, they always tend to be, you know, things like how many people have been killed in America by terrorism since the 12th of September 2001? You know,
6
that
people.
Sort of, no, yeah. But the point is that this. But this is so you go. You know, it always starts from a certain date that you know helps the statistic, as it were. Because if you did it 24 hours earlier, you've got to put in 3,000 more people, and so on. Same with Paris. They don't pass around the Paris death toll statistics on the same amount because they're not as sort of giggly for a bit. But again, I know like. I don't deny that a toaster can be dangerous or a lawnmower, but if there were a movement deliberately making dangerous toasters, you know, or deliberately miswiring lawnmowers to make sure they kill their owners, you know, I'd want to know about it, and so would you. And that's what we're dealing with, movements that actively want to do this. And so, of course, there's a disproportionate emphasis on that, because that's what matters.